Good morning. I'm here to tell you how my meditation practice was kicked off because of Oprah. And I love this story, and I'm so happy to be talking about it. So back in 2012, I was really struggling with my anxiety. I had struggled with anxiety, chronic anxiety, for most of my life. I didn't really realize that's what I was struggling with. I was just now really coming into awareness around how anxious I was. And my coach at the time recommended that I start meditating. And then he sent me this link to the 21-day Oprah Deepak Chopra 21-day meditation challenge. And it was free, and you just sign up and you get a daily email with a daily meditation and some journaling prompts. And I was just so desperate for peace and help, and I'd heard wonderful things about meditation, and this was just so easy. And I also remember having some thoughts at the time come up around like, it's Oprah. How good could it be? And that was nothing against Oprah. I was just thinking that it needed to be like with some sort of like monk or someone in the red and gold robes that was sitting in an ashram that needed to teach me meditation. So the idea of learning from Oprah, I was like, it had really actually deflated my ideas about what was expected of me, and deflated my ideas about what a meditation would look like, and deflated my ideas about who I thought a meditation teacher should be. So it was actually through Oprah that the program was being run, but it was Deepak Chopra, who I'd never heard of at the time, who was actually doing the guided meditations with some awesome input from Oprah herself. And it was literally one of the best experiences of my life. If you're familiar with the quote, "In the beginner's mind, there are endless possibilities, but in the expert's, there are few," that was very much what I was living out in that experience, in that 21-day meditation challenge. I was a beginner. It was all brand new to me, and it literally just broke me open. It was just guided meditations every day for 15 to 20 minutes with journaling prompts. And ever since then, I have been an avid meditator. It's what kicked off all the work I am doing now. All the work I am doing now as a meditation and mindfulness teacher, the training I'm about to go through with Tara Brock and Jack Kornfield starting in January, the work I do as a coach, all of it I do because I did that 21-day meditation challenge. So also because of that, beginners are my most favorite people to teach meditation to. People who haven't meditated before, people who are afraid, because I've been there. I have been in that place where I've had these high expectations of what meditation needs to look like and what a practice needs to look like. And thank you to Oprah and thank you to Deepak Chopra, I was shown a new way. And that is what I love doing for other people, because that is what was done for me. So if you are needing peace, if you're wanting relief from your anxiety, and you want to maybe dive into meditation and you think you can't meditate, remember that it doesn't have to be some guru in an ashram wearing the red and gold robes teaching you meditation and oming all day. It can come from the simplest and the most mainstream places. And I'm all about it. I'm all about making this mainstream and simple and easy and all of that. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't believe I haven't shared this story already. I've written about it years ago, but I'm so excited to be sharing this with you. So thank you, Oprah. Thank you, Deepak. Thank you to every teacher I've ever had that wasn't the guru in the ashram, but just the everyday people who've shown me what it is to be mindful. And I can say that I still have anxiety. Anxiety still comes up, but I know how to deal with it. I know how to manage it. I know how to be with it. And I am not nearly as anxious as I used to be. So meditation has genuinely changed my life, rewired my being. I'm so grateful. And for those of you who don't know who I am, I'm Jessica Amos. I'm a mindfulness and meditation teacher. I'm a life transformation coach, and I'm the founder of Stay With Yourself, which is the practice of being who you are, where you are. Love it. So excited. Okay, I will talk to you all soon. Hope you're having a beautiful day.